Interesting photos. The first picture taken by Perseverance on Mars, right after landing. Mosaics from a Roman villa were found under a vineyard in Negrar, Italy. This wolf and bear were spotted sharing food and traveling together for 10 days. A statue of Yasuke, an African man who arrived in Japan in 1579 as a slave and became the first black samurai. This news anchor from New Zealand wears a traditional face tattoo representing Maori women. In this image, only the door is real, while the rest is created using graffiti art.